Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we'll show you how to install a seat. If you need a seat for your daily rides, visit the official Nanrobot website to select one that fits your scooter model. This is the content of the Nanrobot seat package you will receive. Please check if there are any missing parts, and if so, contact the support team promptly. First, use a small wrench to unscrew the nuts on the seat post clamp. Then remove both pairs of plates and the pin, setting them aside for later use. Next, insert the pin into the seat post. Then put on the plates on both sides. The plates of the rough surface should face inwards. Install the seat post into the seat cushion. Add the washers, and finally screw on the nuts on both sides. Tighten them with the small wrench. After tightening, shake the seat to ensure it's secure. Now, we need to remove the locking screws from this. Hold one end steady, then loosen it. After removal, place the seat post on the seat stand and secure it with the locking screws. Tighten the locking screws. This one needs to be really tight, so put in extra effort. Finally, secure the quick release lever. Moving to the deck cover, we need to unscrew the 4 screw at the back. Align the seat base we just assembled with the holes on the deck cover. Open the parts bag. Take out 4 hex screws, thread the washers onto the screws, and place them in the corresponding holes. Then tighten them one by one. Lastly, insert the upper seat post into the seat stand and tighten the quick release lever. After installation, we need to test if the seat is securely installed. You can also sit on it to experience the comfort of the seat. This concludes our seat installation tutorial. If you encounter any problems during the installation process, please contact our support team promptly. The professional technicians there will provide you with solutions to ensure your seat can be installed smoothly. Hope this video will help you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.